So now we're having our pickle eating contest, and we're just going to see our contestants' reaction. This is Samantha and Trammell.
A pickle.
And Hershey.
Chocolate syrup.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now I've never done this before, so it'll taste
I don't
interesting.
think anybody has.
Eat it.
That is a nasty combination.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay. Here goes pickling.
I don't normally like pickles, so probably won't like it with chocolate syrup on it either.
It's an interesting combination. Not very good, but interesting.